Why do I need to learn English? That question lived in my mind for many years. I was just a village girl with big dreams and small confidence. My name is Sonia. One day, life gave me an opportunity, but only if I could speak English. That moment changed everything. This is my story. Maybe it will help you understand why learning English is not just helpful, it's necessary. I grew up in a small, quiet village in Bangladesh. We had green fields, muddy roads, and kind neighbors. My father was a school teacher. My mother took care of the family. Life was simple and happy. In school, I was a good student. I loved Bangla, maths, and science. But English, that subject scared me. I memorized grammar rules without understanding them. Speaking in English was like walking on fire. I never dared to try. People in my village often said, "Why learn English? We don't need it here." So I believed them. A dream begins. When I was in class 10, I saw a foreigner in our village. He was working with an NGO and talking to the school headteacher. I heard them speaking in English. I didn't understand a word, but I was amazed. The way he spoke the words, the sound, it felt powerful. That day, I told myself, one day, I want to speak like that. But dreams without effort are like birds without wings. College life, a wake-up call, years passed. I finished my SSC and HSC with good grades. I got admitted to a university in Dhaka. It was a proud moment for my family. On the first day of university, my hands were cold. The teachers spoke in English. The seniors spoke in English. Even my roommate spoke in English. I felt like a stranger in my own class. I couldn't join in discussions. I was too shy to ask questions. I often pretended to understand. During presentations, I froze. My classmates laughed softly when I made mistakes. My confidence broke into pieces. I wanted to go back home, but my mother said, "Sonia, every flower blooms in its own time. Just start. Don't stop." My English learning journey, I knew I had to take action. I made a small plan. Step 1. I started watching cartoons and kids' shows in English. They were easy and fun. Step 2. I downloaded English podcasts and listened while doing chores. Step 3. I kept a small notebook where I wrote new words every day. Step 4. I stood in front of a mirror and practiced speaking. I talked to myself like I was giving a speech. Step 5. I joined a free English club on campus. At first, I only listened. Then slowly, I began to speak. I made a rule: 1 English sentence a day, then 2, then 3. I celebrated small wins. Sometimes, I laughed at myself. Sometimes, I cried. But I never gave up. Small victories, big changes. One day, in class, the teacher asked a question. Nobody raised their hand. I felt a sudden push inside me. I raised mine. My voice shook, but I spoke, I think. The answer is Communication failure. The class went silent. Then the teacher smiled. Correct, Sonia. That moment felt like magic. A small sentence, but it changed how I saw myself. From student to leader, in my final year, I became a group leader for a research project. I had to guide my team and give presentations. I spoke slowly, but clearly. My English wasn't perfect, but it was improving. At our convocation, the chief guest from abroad spoke in English. This time, I understood most of it. I smiled, thinking how far I had come. Job interview. My real test. After university, I applied for a job at a multinational company. The interview was in English. Before entering the room, I whispered to myself, "You're ready, Sonia. You've worked for this." I sat down and answered each question with confidence. I used simple words, short sentences, and clear ideas. A week later, I received an email. "Congratulations. You are selected." I couldn't believe it. English had opened the door to my first job. A new life. Today, I work in a team with people from different countries. We all speak in English. I write emails, join meetings, attend online trainings. I even help my juniors improve their English. English gave me a career, a voice, new friends, a chance to dream bigger. English is more than a language. English is not just grammar or vocabulary. It's a bridge. A bridge that connects you with the world. I don't speak like a native. I still make mistakes. But that's okay. Because now, I speak with confidence. Conclusion. My name is Sonia. I was once afraid of English. But now, I use it every day. I didn't learn it overnight. I didn't spend a lot of money. I just kept going. If you feel lost, nervous, or stuck, start small. Speak one sentence. Read one page. Watch one video. English is not only for the talented. It's for anyone who dares to try. So, why is English learning necessary? Because it gives you freedom. Because it gives you power. Because you deserve a better life and English can help you reach it.